Camping just hit warp speed with the Nest, a 2-story inflatable tent that looks straight out of 2099. Built by a Korean innovator, this 50-pound marvel sets up in just 4 minutes, unfolding into a futuristic airhouse with 3 private zones across 2 levels. It's perfect for families or glampers who crave both space and style. The high-tech airbeam frame can brave winds up to 20 meters per second. No more storm panic. Whether you're perched on a remote mountain or throwing a chic backyard glamping bash, Nest transforms any location into a next-gen retreat. It's not just a shelter. It's a sci-fi cocoon of comfort and innovation. The Balachon Nano packs big living into a tiny 3.3-meter frame. This ultra-efficient mobile home sleeps up to 3 with a pull-out bench that converts into a double bed and a lofted twin bed secured with safety netting. Its compact kitchenette includes a sink, mini fridge, and hot plate, everything you need for meals on the move. A sliding door reveals a full bathroom with a dry toilet and a 70 by 70 centimeter shower. Natural light pours in through a charming porthole window, making the space feel airy and bright. Weighing just 1,600 kilograms, it's easy to tow, perfect for spontaneous getaways or embracing a minimalist lifestyle full-time. Bean Squared is the ultimate off-road trailer for serious adventurers who refuse to compromise. Its squared design isn't just stylish, it maximizes interior space without sacrificing agility on tough terrain. Inside, you'll find a queen-size bed, convertible dinette, and smart storage that makes every inch count. Some models even pack an outdoor kitchen for effortless meals in any weather. Rugged roads? Bring them on. With options like cloud suspension, you get superior ground clearance and a ride that feels smooth even off the grid. At $84,780, Bean Squared delivers a luxury-grade home on wheels that's compact, capable, and ready for wild exploration. The Hamaka Hammock is a game-changer, combining the comfort of a sleeping pad with the freedom of a hammock. With 30% more surface area than standard pads, it supports your torso, legs, and arms in any sleep position. The soft 30D stretch polyester top cradles you in comfort, while the rugged 150D Oxford bottom resists punctures like a pro. Inflating to 2.5 inches thick, it delivers serious cushion wherever you lay. Ready to hang? Hidden end pockets unzip to reveal sturdy nylon straps and aluminum carabiners for fast, secure setup. Why pack 2 products when one does it all? The hammock is pure outdoor efficiency wrapped in comfort. The Z-Lounger is the ultimate in outdoor relaxation, ergonomically shaped in an S-curve inspired by the iconic LC4 recliner. Built with military-grade materials, it shrugs off pet claws, UV rays, and even 12-ton bulldozers. Yes, really. Yet it weighs under 5 kilograms and packs down to yoga mat size, so you can take it anywhere without a second thought. Whether you're lounging at the beach, on rocky terrain, or in your backyard, this chair delivers cloud-like comfort and extreme resilience. At around $226, it includes a manual pump, sand stakes, and a carry strap for effortless setup. Why settle for flimsy foldouts when you can relax in style and strength with the Z-Lounger? The Ranger 1000 is a game-changing backpack power station that puts 1,000 watts of continuous power right on your back. Designed for explorers, filmmakers, and survivalists, this rugged 30L pack packs a 600-watt-hour LiFePO4 battery, ready to power drones, laptops, fridges, and more through AC, DC, USB-A, and USB-C ports. Need extra surge? It peaks at 2,000 watts. Stay visible and prepared with built-in ambient lights, signal flares, and an emergency rain cover. Charge it via wall outlet or an optional 120-watt solar panel to stay off-grid longer. Why choose between mobility and power when you can have both in one rugged, all-terrain solution? The Ranger 1000 redefines freedom for serious adventurers. The Crua Modus is the ultimate 6-in-1 sleep system built for solo adventurers who crave simplicity and comfort. It transforms into a tent, hammock, insulated air mattress, sleeping bag, bug mesh, and picnic blanket. Yes, all in one sleek, travel-friendly kit. The waterproof fly sheet doubles as a sun shelter or hammock, while the self-inflating mattress and integrated quilt offer cozy rest in any weather. Its modular design lets you link units for group camping. Genius, right? Quick to set up and surprisingly compact, it's perfect for backpackers, bikers, and overlanders who want to ditch bulky gear without compromising sleep quality. Why carry 6 items when one Modus does it all? Better, faster, and lighter. The X-Trek V2 Evolution by Tactical 13 transforms long-distance hiking with its ultra-light 2-kilogram design that shifts up to 90% of your pack's weight onto rugged wheels. Say goodbye to back and joint strain. This hiking cart fits 30Ler to 70Ler packs using an adjustable axle and height system. Crafted from military-grade carbon fiber and aluminum, it rolls effortlessly on puncture-proof 285mm wheels with sealed SKF bearings. Priced around $430, it includes a hands-free kit, rigid flap for bag protection, and reinforced straps. Modular attachments for bikes and kayaks make it insanely versatile. Why carry the load when you can roll it with ease and confidence across any terrain? The Eco Capsule redefines off-grid living with its sleek, egg-shaped design that minimizes heat loss and maximizes rainwater collection. Powered by solar and wind energy, this self-sustaining micro-home supports 2 occupants comfortably, featuring a kitchenette, shower, toilet, and sleeping area, all packed into an ultra-efficient space. Its built-in battery stores energy, ensuring power even when the sun or wind takes a break. The advanced water filtration system turns collected rain into usable water, making remote living truly sustainable. Smart home integration offers seamless control and monitoring, perfect for eco-conscious adventurers or remote workers. Priced around $99,000, it's a compact, mobile solution for those demanding comfort without compromising environmental impact. Who says sustainability can't be stylish and practical? CKBN Jude is an off-grid retreat designed for ultimate tranquility and nature connection. Nestled in McLaren Flat, it comfortably sleeps up to 3 guests with a king-size loft bed accessed by ladder and a cozy downstairs king single-day bed. The minimalist kitchenette features a bar fridge, 2-burner gas cooktop, and essential cookware, perfect for simple, self-sufficient living. The bathroom offers a shower, cartridge toilet, basin, and bath linens for comfort. Expansive picture windows flood the space with natural light and stunning vineyard views, creating a serene atmosphere ideal for couples or small groups. Pet-friendly, and just 80 meters from Cabin, Georgia, it offers a peaceful escape at $270 to $350 per night. Why settle for ordinary when you can unwind immersed in nature? The Volt Pump is your ultimate outdoor companion, combining fire ignition and inflation in one compact device. Its electric arc ignition lights fires in just 3 seconds, impressively fast for any camping setup. With a powerful 3.8 kilopascals airflow, it rapidly inflates air mattresses, sleeping pads, and even kayaks. No more struggling with bulky pumps. Crafted from lightweight, durable aluminum alloy, it's built to last and withstand the elements with IPX4 water resistance. Safety is paramount with a triple anti-misfire design. 5 versatile nozzles fit nearly any inflatable gear. Plus, fast Type-C charging ensures you're powered up on the go. Why carry multiple tools when the Volt Pump does it all efficiently and safely? The Safari Connect is a next-level 2-person tree tent built for thrill seekers who want comfort off the ground. Its tri-point anchor system creates a stable, flat sleeping surface. No more rolling into your tent buddy at night. With a rugged 600D Dacron floor reinforced by seatbelt webbing, it supports up to 880 pounds with ease. The built-in insect mesh and 70D polyester rainfly with 800 HH waterproofing keep bugs and downpours out, no matter the conditions. Weighing just 24 pounds and setting up in 10 minutes, it's perfect for backyard hangs or semi-permanent wild setups. 4 rollback doors even let you float in an open-air hammock vibe. How wild is that? The Mystique tent is where nature and architecture become one. With its mirrored exterior, it vanishes into the landscape, offering total privacy while reflecting the wild around you. Inside, minimalist luxury unfolds with panoramic glass walls, cozy sleeping quarters, and integrated lighting. Built from weatherproof materials and eco-friendly insulation, it's as sustainable as it is stunning. Want to go off-grid? Optional solar power makes it happen. Whether you're launching a glamping retreat or seeking a remote escape, Mystique delivers immersive comfort and elegance. Lightweight yet solid, it ships pre-assembled or in easy-to-install panels. It's not just a tent. It's a mirror to the wilderness. Cabin Anna redefines retreat living with a breathtaking blend of form and function. Designed by Casper Scholes, its dual-shell system, one wood, one glass, slides open or closed, letting you control your connection to nature like never before. Go from cozy hideaway to panoramic forest pavilion in seconds. Inside, it's pure ingenuity. A queen bed that tucks under the floor, a lofted mezzanine, a sunken tub, wood stove, and a fully equipped kitchen, all within 55.4 meter squares of eco-conscious design. Standing 4.5 meters tall and made from 80% CNC machined components, it assembles without disturbing the land. It's not just a cabin, it's a living, breathing architectural experience. Meet the Huga Home Spot, a 484-scoop-fat concrete fortress that goes wherever you do. Designed for total freedom, it installs in under a day with almost zero site prep. Earthquakes, hurricanes, even bullets. No problem, this modular home is built to survive it all. Inside, naval-inspired architecture maximizes space with smart storage, natural airflow, and abundant light, making everyday living effortlessly comfortable. Whether nestled in the mountains, parked oceanside, or set in your backyard, it adapts to any climate or lifestyle with ease. At $130,000, you're not just buying shelter, you're securing a resilient, portable, and surprisingly spacious lifestyle solution that's ready for anything. The CarboGrill X1 is your ultimate grilling sidekick. Compact, powerful, and built to go anywhere. With a die-cast aluminum body and enamel ceramic iron grates, it locks in heat and flavor like a pro. Its 8,000 BTU stainless steel burner hits up to 700 grease hours, delivering perfect sears every time. Weighing just 25 pounds, it folds into a sleek suitcase-style form, ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard feasts. At $390, it includes a waterproof Oxford carry bag, an acacia wood cutting board, plus a 5-year warranty. This grill isn't just portable, it's a premium outdoor kitchen in your trunk.